Hey there, future investors! Today, I'm diving into the world of SafePal, the ultimate solution for managing your crypto assets securely and effortlessly. Before we get started, make sure to click the link in the description below to get your exclusive discount on SafePal products. Ready? Let's go! SafePal is a comprehensive crypto management tool that brings security, convenience, and fun all into one sleek package. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, SafePal has something for everyone. First off, let's talk security. SafePal hardware wallets are designed with top-notch security features to keep your assets safe from hackers. With multiple layers of protection, including an air-gapped signing mechanism and self-destruct feature, you can be sure your investments are in good hands. Now, onto convenience. SafePal supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, so you can manage all your assets in one place. Plus, the user-friendly interface makes it super easy to track your portfolio, send and receive crypto, and even swap tokens directly within the app. It's like having a personal crypto assistant right in your pocket. But what really sets SafePal apart is the fun factor. The SafePal app comes with cool features like the SafePal Earn, where you can stake and earn rewards in a gamified environment. This makes managing your crypto not just a task, but an enjoyable experience. And if you're into NFTs, SafePal has you covered. You can store, manage, and showcase your digital collectibles all in one place. It's truly the all-in-one solution for any crypto enthusiast. So, why wait? Click the link in the description below to grab your SafePal wallet at a special discount and start your journey to secure and fun crypto management today. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, happy investing!